You need to talk to someone who's across the map. Maybe send a quick message to your server. Now with a button and some wires, you can do just that. In this simple tutorial, I'll show you how to make an announcement button so that you can say anything you want to anyone in your server. Starting off, you're going to want the following items. For line 1, you're going to want button B2, if player is local, prompt local player
Burger!
And then you're going to want to open your palette, press on the little magnifying glass to search, and you're going to want to find the following items listed here. Then if we come up here, you'll see the organization setup. Just so it's a little bit easier to read, you can copy this. Start off with the setup. I'm going to press configure. Come over to the prompt local player. I'm going to change the prompt to whatever you would like it to say. I'm going to set it to say announce. I'm going to come over to the string format. Going to add an input. Then you're going to configure the format part. You're going to write squiggly bracket 0, close that bracket, colon, space, then do the same thing, put a 1 in it. I'll explain what this is for later. Then you're going to configure the event definition, and you're going to want to add a new string property. Title it whatever you want. I'm going to put message. Then you press to add the property. It says that right there. Configure the event sender. Make the event be the event definition. And then you want to set it to all so that everyone gets affected by it. Event receiver, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go find your event definition. Then you can go to wire once all that's set up. And I'm going to show you the connections and explain what they do. I'm going to connect these executions, these players, is local to the prompt local player. What this does make it so that when you push the button, it's going to check if the player is local. So if the person is the one that pressed the button, and if it is, then they are going to send out the prompt. So that's complete. I'm going to send it to the event sender. Take the response, connect it to this bottommost value. So this will go fill in for 1. I'm going to go up here to line 2, get local player, add it to the to string, take the result, connect it to this value. What that does is it takes the name of that person and it puts it right here so that it shows who said what. We're going to take this result, drag it back down to the event sender, connect these two executions, and connect the message so that everything in that little format is what will show on the notification when you send it. So I'm going to demonstrate it by pressing the button. I'm going to type whatever I want, press OK, and then it shows my name and the message on the screen. Now this is nice for if you want to have it just so that anyone that can reach the button can send any message you want. But if you want to make it so that only a user with a certain role can do it, then we're going to come over here to where I have a slightly different setup. It's using all of the same circuits, except now we have an if and a player has role. So, I'm going to grab our maker pen. We're going to do the same configurations as before. Change the prompt. I'm going to set it to announce. Add input. Put the exact same 0, colon, 0, or no, bracket 1, close bracket. This is event definition 1 for me because it is my second event definition chip. We're going to do the same thing, string, and then we'll have message as the property. Add property, configure these two, so it displays to all. And once you have all that set, we can go down to here. You would spawn in a role chip, and then you name the role whatever you would like. So that player has role. We want to see if they have that role that you created. For me, I'm going to put cool. And then we can get to the wiring. This time we're going to put pressed into the if, player into the player has role, and player into the player's local. This one served the same purpose as before, seeing if it's the person that pressed the button. But now it's going to filter it through if they have the role cool. So you connect the value into the if. So if that check fully succeeds, then it'll run all the way to the player's local. Then if they are local, goes to the prompt local player. Then from there, it's the exact same as the other one. Complete to the event sender, response to the first value, get local player, to string, result to the 0th value, bring the result down to the event sender, then wire in these two. Now I'm going to show you how it does with the role. Here I have these two role mappers connected to buttons. So if I press this, it gives me the role cool. So I can come over here, press the button, type in whatever I want, name, message. If I come to this one to remove the role, now pressing the button doesn't do anything. That way it's blocked off to anyone that isn't like owners. If you want to automatically assign this role to someone so you don't have to use the button, open your watch menu, go to this room, go to settings, to permissions, and you have all of these roles. So let's say I want to go under creator, go under miscellaneous, auto assign game roles, add role, cool. From there, it'll automatically give me this role so that I can always press the button. And then these become obsolete. That was all for today's tutorial. Hope it helped out. Now you can announce whatever you would like to your server. Have a nice day.
Burger. Evan Burger.
Burger? I'm sorry, did he just say that his last name is Burger? Oh my god, do you come with fries? Is your middle name Cheese?